most sophisticated ergonomical dual keyboards, wireless keyboards that is, the Freewolf M87 and the M96 dual mode keyboards. One uses for creating documents, the other is for gaming. The Freewolf M87 dual mode keyboard uses for different documentations. It can be compatible with either a PC or a Mac, but it only functions like a PC keyboard. As you can see, the self-explanatory manual tells the different functions of those keyboards. Everything from screen brightness, email, runner, as well as playing the previous song or video that you're watching on your Mac or PC. And of course it has a familiar looking keyboard that has a look and feel of these old school computer keyboards. And I'm going to show you how well it writes just by the sound of it. Now this dual mode keyboard, also from Freewolf, this one only has 96 keys. It has a volume adjuster. It also has a display that tells if my keyboard is running out of batteries. It has a numeric keypad attached to the familiar looking computer keyboard or keys. This is a very odd one that is compared to the iHome wireless Mac keyboard. Only it still functions like a PC keyboard. You might take a look at the manuals from Freewolf very carefully to see if it functions like a keyboard, like a PC keyboard, because it doesn't use the usual Mac functions. It only uses the PC functions.